Here's how you can find and copy a TikTok comment link, starting with mobile. First, open the TikTok app. Find the video containing the comment you want to share. Now, scroll through the comments until you spot the one you need. Tap and hold on that comment until a menu pops up. From there, select Send to Friends and then choose Copy Link. The comment link is now on your clipboard. You can paste it wherever you need. This link will redirect to the comment, which will be highlighted by a flashing blue light at the beginning. Now, let's tackle the desktop. Even though TikTok doesn't officially support copying comment links here. But fear not, we've got a workaround. Open the video on your desktop and jot down the username of the person who commented. Now, take the URL from the address bar and simply add, and then the username at the end of it. For instance, if the video URL is this, and the username is this, your link will look like this. This modified link won't direct you straight to the comment, but it serves as a handy reference. And there you have it. That's how you find and share a TikTok comment link, both on mobile and desktop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful.